Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Adanawobu, aka Joseph One Noka. And we are here again in Ofiako restaurant here in Oka. We have Abalanza in the building, we have Yo in the building, we have Spanner in the building, and we have just 3 semo to finish on time. First person to finish this food stand a chance to win 10,000 naira cash. The first person to finish the semo, only the semo alone, 10,000.
We'll go to Konaka.
I'm going to get you.
May have 50.
The first person to finish this semo, first person to finish, stand a chance to win 50,000 naira cash.
This one,
We never start. All right, now you stand a chance to win 50,000 naira if you finish this semo first to finish. All right, don't forget also, anytime you want to buy your car, make sure you buy your car from Ezogidi Motors, number one shop block. Anytime. We're going to post their details so that you can follow them and order any cars that you want from them. They're based in US, they stay also in Lagos. So just buy from them. All right, guys, are you ready? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? All right, are you guys ready?
Spanner.
Hey! So are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Game start! Hey! Spanner! I said this thing. Spanner go just finish in Spanner. I go back. Abalanze. Game is in.
Spanner.
Guys,
Spanner, no need to rush about. These people don't go anywhere. They don't go anywhere. Hey,
Spanner, my show.
Spanner, no, they move. These people don't move. You don't even need to rush about.
I dey move.
You know they move. Abalanze, I know they even move anywhere. I don't understand.
Spanner.
Spanner, just a try on smoothly. Not a small try on small. Yeah, you not fit do anything. You not fit do anything. You know, hey, Jesus.
Spanner.
Jesus.
Spanner.
Hey, Jesus.
Spanner.
You okay? You will ever. Hey, Jesus. Hey.
Talent.
Hey. Mba, only the fufu. All right, Spanner. Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner
Which kind of nonsense is this?
Spanner,
I don't know massage.
Alright guys, Spanner wins. Chill. Alright guys, Spanner wins this competition. In fact, this is not even a competition. You know, okay, you don't even try to finish one. Abala,
Hey, Jesus.
Even the one, he never even one where he was it. He never even finished it. He never even top. Nah, I don't understand though. Now, wow. I don't think this is a competition. Is this a competition?
No.
Is this a competition?
No.
This is not a competition now. Huh? Now we need a very good. Who is going to challenge Spanner? It's already and you think you can win Spanner? Oh, I'm not sure. Nobody can. Who can challenge Spanner? Who can challenge Spanner?
Aye.
15,000.
Aye.
I'm not going to even a Tirakana new one.
Calm down.
You need to go.
Calm down, calm down. Now shooting with the do. Calm down, calm down. No,
Can't you not shooting down there, man?
Easy now.
Why not you going on?
Now shooting with
You don't
the
want to yourself. I'm not here to out.
And after that,
I'm not know when said you're for private. You're going to see this thing.
what we go to expand on first.
Five would you go on? I would know. If I want one, I would go. There's one, Roy.
We're going to know now. Tina first.
What is what I'm happy?
Spanner.
I beg a competition with you.
Why you have to have
50,000.
50,000?
Well, look what's the most.
I just want a competition with the do.
Yeah.
All the cargo on your beer on your one. Also, only got us everything.
All right, guys. I beg you don't get that quarrel. Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner won this.
Yeah, but I never have new room. Was called. Check up now, Mamma.
Sorry.
My very more you know the other.
I beg, bye.
I don't know.
Sorry. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Please make sure you share.
Yeah.
Voilà.
Iyoocashout. Stop playing.